build a competitive round one that changes every year.
Yep. That and fucking EA and DICE not supporting like spectator and battle cam and battle recorder.
I don't think that game will ever be good competitively. Like it's just a fun game.
Yep.
The game we're currently playing is neither fun nor competitive.
Not for us.
But I get to play with my cool mate Jordan though.
Oh, shut up. I'm not cool.
Fuck you, Jordan, you dumb, fat, weird,
cool.
single, fat.
Reparator!
Got the repair.
Marcy, relax, it did not repair. Marcy, relax, it did not repair. Marcy, chill out.
Kevy's a fucking superhero, he just like leaps in front of me and
I can tell you now, he's dead inside. I can feel it.
I know, yeah, so can I.
I can feel it from over here.
Exactly.
Don't die, Jordan.
Won't. If you don't see the fucking purgatory dealer for me, I'm not gonna die. Like I'm invincible.
Well, that was a good interrupt.
The best one is when Purgatory procs and you get a tiny heal.
He's up on the engineers.
Dropping.
Would you please?
Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat them out!
Watch interrupts. Good.
How'd it go?
Don't risk anything now on my side if you get bombed. You can just blow it up, not even
Left
next to
hand,
it.
please. Oh, you already did. Barry, you know how to uncycle.
One more bomb. Alright, good.
Kill the bellies up around.
Yeah.
Fuck, it's still so high.
Come on!
It's fine.
Ben?
Break that C-sphere.
Fuck off, you annoying cunt of.
You have to
Stun.
Kira, good.
watch your bombs.
Taunted for.
Malcolm
Really?
mode.
It's on you.
Yep.
Dropping MC, pick it up please.
Someone interrupted. Tap to the
Cheers.
side. Fuck, I got the rubbish on me. I have to go out.
Just run out.
That's fine.
Got the engineer off you.
Yeah, thanks.
Interrupting the slag element.
Shit, I stunned as the shit went down.
It's fine.
I've MC'd the second one.
3, 2, 1.
Next one's on the rule again.
Primal Elementalist if you
Jumping
haven't
MC.
Can you interrupt it? It's just a little fire, guys. I need someone to interrupt it. Thank you. My fucking...
Aren't you lucky, really? You get both of them. Slag element.
Yes, for us.
Shields down.
Get on
there.
fire
There you go.
callers.
Fire
Oh,
Yes,
callers.
for us.
the hands
Faster
on.
go.
There we go.
Watch out, melee guys, I have a thing.
I'm stunning nature.
Fish.
Slag bomb. 3, 2, 1. Primal element. Kill it.
Kira next.
Carter's wound. Interrupt.
Got it.
This was us. Please.
It's on Jamie.
Moving this guy out.
Molotov,
Hey,
Fuck.
kick it
Zaza.
out.
Who's it on?
Buff him.
Making
Who's
big.
on me? No, 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 don't.
Can you cast it, please, us? Rally Markov.
I'm doing it this
Well,
one.
How am I doing?
Guy dropped
Faster
my
go, faster.
Primal alley.
Primal-
Doing it.
Riley?
I did.
Stun okay.
Job
This was
breaking.
ours.
I got AM for the next one.
Interrupt.
Taunting down.
Taking out.
Wow, so low.
But
I mean, so high.
Stunned in there.
Fire callers, get on the slag element.
that was
Shield's
my
down.
AM.
No.
Interrupt,
Make
please.
sure you spread properly,
He's not on
guys. Chuckle scheme bomb.
Need to smash this next.
Hard switch to this. Yeah. Oh, it's not even dead yet. Fuck.
Yeah, it's not ready yet. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, healer dispel in this one.
Spit up.
Skull.
They
be careful.
need to beam. One of you beam now. Quick.
Fish.
Fine, it's dead. Good work. Okay, onto the
Cross.
fire callers.
Move.
Personal.
Who's that on? Pastor.
Chuckles, don't run into fucking slag pool.
Just cleave these down together, it's fine.
Spread out. Akira for the next one after like we stack back up.
To the Primal Elementalist, 3, 2, 1, go.
Moon resums.
Regroup.
Someone interrupt Moon, please. Desktop.
Make space for you.
Dispel, please.
Oh, it's going to be high again.
Hansel, can you amp?
Onto the fire callers.
Akira,
down
you
Moon.
have 30 seconds to take your time.
Ben, get
yeah,
on.
like
Interrupt. Sure.
I beam.
On Moon.
Dispel, please.
3, 2, 1. We need to rape this one. So,
Healer dispel.
Zars amp.
I've got 2 fixates and one of them square.
Pastor, can you stun now?
Spread out.
Asik beam.
Raz, this is yours.
I can't move.
I've already beamed.
okay,
Oh, fish.
interrupt. Square's being interrupted or someone interrupt.
It's too.
Job.
I got
Bubbles is
Get on the
being
fire.
Range move over.
On me.
Please
Someone
go
interrupt.
downstairs. Dispel, interrupt, and fire colors.
Hydro barrier now.
Primal Elementalist, 3, 2,
Stay spread.
1, go.
Fire colors are up. Dispel's ours.
Home demon, do it straight away.
Cleave down these fire callers first, okay? Now, get on fire callers. Get on Moon.
Bacon, most likely, yeah, straight away.
Don't fucking die.
Are the fire callers dead?
Dispel, please. No.
Soon.
Pastor, stun now.
Dispel, please.
Primal
please.
Elemental,
Bring them in, they both drop the shields.
Primal Elementalist now.
Alright.
Go.
Spread out.
Fire call spawning us.
Dispel, please.
Chuckles,
Guy
you got
got
the
the
bomb.
shield. One guy got the shield.
Oh, no,
we
wait,
scooped it.
Onto
this is
the
good.
Wait till it stacks.
fire callers until the boss is
I visit you.
good. Melt
Make sure you spread.
onto the boss.
Range
Stay
Stay
boss,
move.
safe,
fire
spread. Contrast wound, interrupt.
Can you get those fire callers?
Stay spread, guys.
yeah, I'm bringing him
Stack
in.
up.
Close.
Stack up if you don't have a fixate.
Mitchell.
That's 2 now, trouble.
Everyone
game,
on boss. Everyone.
Hansel amp.
Coming over to help.
Don't, just touch it, that's it.
Let me know when
I can't touch it.
Zars amp.
And a little sack. Jordan now.
Chuckles bomb.
Go, Mozzie.
2 stacks.
Tony,
Taunt.
Sheila is up.
Move.
Moving. Is that enough? Dump it
Flag
wrong.
bomb, watch out.
There.
Okay, make sure you're not in the middle with. I'm gonna AM
Let
this
some
one.
sack me.
My AM's up.
I just.
Akira, you're SLT for the next one, okay?
Taunting.
You get
balls
him?
up.
You mean him?
Okay, beautiful. Good.
Be good with melt.
Akira, I want you to save your healing tide until we need it. So most likely 10 minutes. You got
Melt
15
Kemi,
seconds.
move,
Just try and
move
hold
the
it.
Move.
Moving, yep.
Move. Akira,
Silent.
just
Taunting.
Jordan,
boss.
come on.
don't.
Hydro pain sub call Jordan now.
Healing tonics.
Out on fish.
Healing tonics.
Spread those fixes. We're super
Do it
heated
now, Kira.
personals now.
Raz, wait, you're soon. Get ready.
Vamps up.
Stay stacked if you don't have it.
Ben, when I taunt you need to
Okay,
engage
Raz
it
next
now.
Taunt Muzz.
Bubbles V as well.
Get ready to move soon. Do it after the
Move,
blast.
move now.
Lost.
Maybe. Lust. Let's go.
Personals and immunities. Hydra once we're in a spot. Barrier.
It's playroom.
Taunt
Try
on
stay in that
Nazi,
barrier
your
for the
vision.
next.
Yep.
It's enough, stay in the barrier.
On you. Fixes, stay spread, please.
Healing
Trying on that
tonics,
big melting
guys.
approach.
Please just be calm.
Move.
Move
How
the
many
ball.
do you cry?
Moving.
Move.
10
Just move all
seconds
out the circle.
That's enough.
Yep.
Do we have a
Yourself
rule for
before you do
next
it.
melt?
Yeah.
Boxes.
Call
Personal.
Hansel,
Tonics.
amp, bacon, go. Hansel, amp, bacon, go. This is
Any
the...
cooldown on
Move,
Jordan
move,
now?
move.
Yeah, I'm moving.
That's on bubble.
I'm in the
IMS.
melt.
There we go. Zaz amp.
All personals, anything.
Res your bacon. Res the bacon.
No, no, no.
Amp.
He's
No.
gonna heal more.
I'm
Vamps.
healing.
I have shield wall. I'm taunting you, Jordan. I have shield wall.
Keep
Can I
it
get
up, guys.
cooldown? Can I get any cooldown on me right now?
I'm about to
You got my
pop.
sack.
Move more.
Res people. Res
Res me,
people
res me,
are moving
res me.
home, boss. Res
I'm dead.
anyone. 3 reses.
Anyone
Quickly,
with an
Raz.
immunity?
Quick, keep tanks up.
Any
Don't tell
immunity?
Fuck you, pedophile.
fuck.
Lil is a
Finally.
pedophile. Lil is a pedophile. Lil is a pedophile.